Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to toggle on or off the auto lock-on after landing a MetalTag setting in Nioh 3. Let's begin by opening the system menu. Here select the basic game settings. In this menu, swap to the 4th page. Right now, you can change the automatically lock-on after landing a MetalTag. As you can see, it is turned on by the default for me. I can turn it off, turn it on, simply make your choice. After that, press the back button to confirm. Press the back button once again, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.